In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a trade on Quantower. First, open the chart of the instrument you want to trade. That could be a stock, a futures contract, or a forex pair. Make sure the time frame and symbol are correct so you're looking at the right market. Next, bring up the order entry, sometimes called the trading toolbar, on that chart. If you don't see it, look for the small trade icon on the chart and click it to reveal the panel. This panel is your command center. It shows your account selector, quantity, order type, price fields, and the buy and sell buttons. Before you do anything else, choose the correct trading account. If you have both a live and a demo account, double-check that you've selected the one you intend to use. Now, set your quantity. For stocks, this is the number of shares. For futures, it's the number of contracts. For Forex, it may be lots or units depending on your setup. Think through your risk and position size and confirm it matches your plan. Choose your order type. Market orders fill at the best available price and are designed for immediate execution. Limit orders let you specify the maximum price you'll pay to buy or the minimum price you'll accept to sell. They rest until the market trades at your price. Stop orders trigger once the market reaches your stop level, often to enter with momentum or to exit if price moves against you. If you selected a limit or a stop, set the price. You can type it directly into the price field, use the up and down controls, or, if enabled, click on the chart at the exact level you want. Verify the price direction makes sense for your order type. Buy limits go below current price, sell limits above. Buy stops above, sell stops below. When everything looks right, click the buy or sell button to send the order. Market orders should fill quickly. Limit and stop orders will post as working orders on your chart. If a confirmation window pops up, take a moment to review the details before you confirm. That's the process. Open the chart, enable order entry, select your account, set quantity, choose the order type, set the price if needed, and execute.